Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a really pretty wreath out of grapevine wreath and florals that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's going to turn out so pretty, you guys, so make sure you keep on watching till the very end. If you guys like this video and you want me to make more, give it a thumbs up. And like and share this video with your friends, guys. That would mean the world to me. So let's jump into this. You guys, I love going to the dollar store for florals. They are so fresh, so beautiful. You can tell that these are good quality. I know some of them look like they're falling apart, but really they're not. They haven't fallen apart yet. So I would suggest if you need a quick floral DIY, check out your Dollar Tree, because look how many flowers you get. $1 and you get like a ton on one stem. Alrighty, you guys, so after all of your stems have been cut off of that wire, you know what? I just forgot to mention, you can use scissors, but it was a little tough to do that, so might as well get some wire snips. That will work out much better for you. But anyhow, just place the flowers as you wish all around, stick it through the grapevine wreath, and bend it behind. Alrighty, you guys, we are almost done. We just have to keep arranging these beautiful white flowers. They kind of look like peonies, which I really love. They really do look beautiful. So after you're done arranging the white flowers where you want, then go ahead and grab your other flower color that you choose and just stick those in. These ones are carnations. They're just white with pink edges, and they look super pretty, and it brings out the pink that are in the peonies. You guys, we are all done with this beautiful wreath. You can add a bow if you'd like, but I love this look just the way it is. And I just love it even more that with the next season that comes along, I can pull these all off and put whatever else I wish. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please share it with your friends. I will see you guys next week. Love ya. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.